Angels or heavenly beings mentioned numerous times in the scriptures. Even though angels majorly reside in heaven, they are among men and carry out various duties as God directs or assigns to them. They are sent with a message and to execute the workings of God. On the 27th of July 2023, during a live program, tagged The Time of God as the Prophet Macdonald E.E Sound was ministering teaching the Word of God. There appeared an angel, physically in a misty luminous light, and this manifestation was captured on camera. It stayed a little distant from where the prophet was. Let's take a look.